Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing for the National Anthem of Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. I now present to you the Chancellor of Monash University, Mr. Simon McKeon, who will open this graduation ceremony.
Graduands and guests, our honorary graduand and guest speaker, Dr. Raghunath Mishelkar, Madam President and Vice-Chancellor, Professor Margaret Gardner, the Chief Scientist of Australia, and my predecessor, former Chancellor of Monash University from 2008 to 2015, Dr. Alan Finkel. Provost and Senior Vice President, Professor Edwina Cornish. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Major Industry Partnerships, Professor Mohan Krishnamurthy. Deputy Vice-Chancellor and Vice President Enterprise and Dean of the Faculty of Engineering and Faculty of Information Technology, Professor Frida Seibel. Distinguished visitors, members of the faculty, it is my pleasure to welcome you on behalf of the Council of Monash University to this, the 1025th graduation ceremony of Monash University, which is being performed on country for which the Kulin nations have been the traditional owners and custodians for many centuries. The university acknowledges their cultures and we pay our respects to their elders past and present. I now call upon the President and Vice-Chancellor, Professor Margaret Gardner, to address this Assembly.
Chancellor, our honorary graduate and guest speaker, Dr. Raghunath Mishelkar, former Chancellor, Dr. Alan Finkel, members of the Monash University Council, colleagues, guests, and most especially graduates. Today, for you, the graduates, it's a day of celebration. And to everyone graduating, I offer my congratulations. The ceremony is formal, the rituals drawing on centuries of practice in graduations, including the particular elements that are special to Monash. Formality doesn't signal lack of enjoyment or passion. It serves to mark an occasion that joins each graduating student to the many who came before and those who will follow. The effort that you all have put to get to this point, that effort deserves recognition. It deserves to be treated with a certain gravity and seriousness. And it serves as an acknowledgement, this ceremony, that today you join a line of graduates that dates back not just to Monash's first ceremony in 1964, but to an academic tradition that arguably begins with the University of Bologna in 1088. But today, the university certifies also that you've acquired the analytical abilities, the deep knowledge of your fields, and the capabilities that a Monash degree implies. These are very valuable things, but valuable as they are, we like to think that you've taken away rather more than this from your time here at Monash. And we hope that during this time you've also forged values that reflect the ones that this university holds dear. We hope that we've nurtured in all of you the love of discovery, That's expressed in the university's motto, Ancora Imparo. Those words, which have been attributed to Michelangelo, translate as "I am still learning." And while learning, one is also discovering. It's unlikely that you came here in the first place without a healthy intellectual curiosity, but your time here should have strengthened that determination to understand more of the world and ourselves. More importantly, it should have helped you recognise that the hunger for knowledge can be a very powerful force for good. It's a desire for discovery that's driven the university's great research and innovations. People will know in this country of the groundbreaking work in IVF that to this day continues to help hundreds of thousands of people have children. To, for example, work that is going on the bionic eye today in this university on the cusp of human trials. We also hope that your time here has shaped the nature and raised the level of your ambition in a way that reflects the level of ambition of the university itself. Monash today ranks very clearly among the world's top 100 universities, a position it reached in less than 60 years. That is a reflection of ambition, but it is not in those rankings that our ambition resides. A strong reputation is only ever a byproduct of ambition. What's important is the scale and usefulness of the challenges we set ourselves. And we hope that it's that ambition, that scale, the nature of the challenges you set, that's that ambition you hold dear. Monash is a big and comprehensive university so that the challenges we embrace are diverse. For the Faculty of Engineering, they've involved everything from designing new low-cost photovoltaic solar energy technologies, revolutionising water management in cities across the globe, researching lighter, stronger materials for everything from aircraft through to medical devices, to looking at ways that will diminish our carbon footprint on this earth of ours. For the Faculty of Information Technology, they include utilising new research to help deaf children and their families communicate with each other, using 3D animation to help Australia's Indigenous communities recover language and share their culture with others, and developing probabilistic reasoning tools that help us redirect what we do, including if we hit fog at Melbourne Airport. For our alumni, the ambitions have been great and the outcomes have been many. For you, who knows what form your ambition will take and where it will take you. But I hope that implicit in all the varied ambitions that I can see here before me today, that you have in those the idea of service, the notion that the most noble end to which you can direct your talents and your efforts is to the greater good. As our namesake, the great Australian Sir John Monash once wrote, "Equip yourself for life, not solely for your own benefit, but for the benefit of the whole community." Now, we don't actually expect that every Monash graduate will discover life-saving vaccines, end global warming or global poverty, though they're ambitions worth having. But we hope that you've got an awareness that the decisions you make and the actions you take in your professional and personal lives have implications for all of us, and that from the advantages you gain from this education, there's always an opportunity to give something to others. We hope that you've also built, if you didn't already have it, an openness to new ideas, perspectives and cultures. Your education would not have succeeded were your opinions and preconceptions not challenged. The diversity of experience of your fellow students, as well as the ideas and experience of the academic staff around you, should have sketched new horizons and new ways of understanding. That openness is a very important part, and it is a firm value that you need as you step into a global world for which we hope your education has prepared you. Our global world, which Monash has deeply embraced by not just the diversity of its students and staff populations, but its ability to reach out to the world and to engage in education and research, not just on these shores, but beyond these shores, in India, in China, in Malaysia, and indeed in alliance with universities around the world. So whether your career keeps you here in Australia, takes you to Asia, Europe, or the Americas, this one thing I can tell you about Monash, that when you meet new colleagues, new clients, even new employers, there's a very high chance you'll meet someone who's a Monash graduate, because those alumni are spread across the globe. I think that the final value that I wanted to invoke today is respect. You've been given the privilege of a wonderful education. You're all very, very able. You're blessed with the capacity to tackle academic tasks successfully. They're powerful advantages. They've become, if anything, more powerful advantages in this world we live in. Use them wisely. Be ethical. Be honest. Aspire always to fairness. And be generous. Be generous with your time, in your assessment of others, and in the credit you give them. By doing this, you'll prove yourself worthy of the investment that you have made, your families, the university and your community have all made in you. But today is a day to celebrate your graduation. And so you should also celebrate. It's important to hold that as a value in life. And so I urge you also to celebrate, and on behalf of the university, I offer again my very deep congratulations. Thank you. I now call upon Professor Frieda Seibler, Deputy Vice-Chancellor and Vice President Enterprise and Academic and Dean of the Faculty of Engineering and Dean of the Faculty of Information Technology.
Mr. Chancellor, I certify to you and to the Council of Monash University that all candidates now to be presented and those others listed in your copy of the graduation program have fulfilled the conditions prescribed by the Council of Monash University for admission to the degrees and for the award of the diplomas indicated in the program. Would all candidates for the degrees and diplomas of the Faculty of Information Technology and the Faculty of Engineering please stand?
Graduates, with the authority of Council, I admit you to the degrees and award the diplomas to which you are entitled. I also admit the degrees and award the diplomas to which they are entitled those who are absent today, but are listed in my copy of the graduation program. Graduates, as you now are, this moment marks an important milestone in your lives. This ceremony is the visible culmination of your hard work and commitment. Your achievements are outstanding, and you should always look back on this moment with great pride. I personally congratulate you, and I now ask the members of the audience behind you to applaud your accomplishments.
Please be seated. Mr. Chancellor, graduates from the Faculty of Information Technology will be presented to you by Professor Anne Nicholson, Acting Deputy Dean of the Faculty of Information Technology.
Mr. Chancellor, I present to you graduates from the Faculty of Information Technology who have been admitted to the following degrees and awarded the following diplomas today. Bachelor of Business Information Systems, Marcel Joe Bertuk Tanaka. Srinu Baska. Joshua Tsun Shun Choi. Neha Chopra. Mohammed Andre Fakhriputra. Nilan Fuchs. Fang Huang. Uvini Mudara Jayasuriya. Yung Liu. Simon Nguyen Dang. Ho Chung Pang. Hu Ung Chung Chao. James Peter Strain. Yuan Go Wei. Bachelor of Computer Science, Nick James Bernard. Adam Donaghy. Jack Jordan. Timothy David Laird. Hun Tae Lee. Christopher Andrew MacDonald. Jin Song Niu. Jae Ren Un. Joshua Joseph Rockford. Man K. Wong. Yi Loon Young. Alan Yu. Bachelor of Information Technology and Systems, Janit Budika Atukurala. Su Ling Ao. Druhan Basu. Gregory John Blewett. Judong Chun. Patricia Yvette Edison. Sam Fitch. Stephen Glenn Kaiser. Andrew Kasapides. Brian Kavira. Julian Francois Lilly. Lu Li Fuk Kang. Mohammad Alwais Malik. Cassandra Ann Mendonca. Robin Ania Agutu Otieno. Dahara Nelumi Pereira. Long Ling Patrick Poon. Sajid Ranasinghe. Thomas Rowan Solari. Matthew James Stobo. William Thomas Stobo. Thomas Wong. Bachelor of Software Engineering, Bao Sang Chin. Justin Y. Kit Chung. Alexander Ka Seng Lai. Alex Mitchum. David Timothy Williams. Graduate Diploma in Business Information Systems, Andrew Lapore. Graduate Diploma in Information and Knowledge Management, Linda Defina. Nicole Rawson. Master of Business Information Systems Professional and Master of Information Technology Professional, Mai Chen. Jamie Kenneth Clark. Aditya Dahar. Shu Hao Gore. Hamanpreet Kaur. Khairan Amira Binte Kazali. Dong Shu Ma. Aniket Atul Patwardhan. Manjot Purawal. Thradha. Master of Applied Information Technology, Yong Chao Wang. Master of Business Information Systems, Fahud Abdulaziz Alamayer. Lu Chen. Arjun Chennai Vijay Balaji. Troy Coutinho. Yun Han Hong. Mariam Jabba Zada. Rahul Kayemra. Sandal Rahim Khan. Amay Kamawa. Xuan Li. Ma Ji Wei. Maraki Biffin Francis. Sayazrin Amza Muhammad Noor. Zhong Young Niu. Luis Felipe Padraza Maecha. Jayan Khan Pitak Kaitikul. Ying Shang. Thomas Shrestha. Olupi Udaya. Sushant Vijayakumar. Bin Ying Wang. Chun Yang Wu. Wu Peng Fei. Jun Chai. Zhang Pan. Chun Jue Chao. Meng Di Chun. Tian Mu Ti. Masters of Business Information System Honours, Annalie Mercier de Villiers. Masters of Business Information Systems Professional, Kevin Chun Ho Chan. Fu Dong Tao. Master of Business Information Systems Professional, Shayjuti Islam. Master of Information Technology, Nandini Sienavali Anantarama. Norman Azhar. Jia Chao Chen. Alwi Christio. Reynaldo Enrico. Chun Jie Feng. Jing Guo. Kumar Bharat Hassan Narasimha Murthy. Huang Tianyi. Yi Chuan Huang. Hao Jun Jin. Arvind Gaur. Huashun Li. Ming Xuan Li. Jiao Guo Li. Zhongyi Li. Yinan Liang. Chun Lin. Liu Liang. Nan Liu. Lu Hu Hung. Jia Yu Liu. Jun Dong Ma. Sheng Mao. Mo Fei. Yadu Rabinath. Majid Rezi Dekodi. Shien Muhabbat Shikda. Gagandip Singh Sidhu. Ashwarya Shmridi. Chachai Shriba von Mongko. Yue Xiang Sun. Muhammad Sawat Tazim. Tian Wei Chung. Mung Lin Zai. Chandresh Dilipbai Varadia. Jue Wang. Jonathan Warner. Tejani Dineshika Wedikara Arachchi. Wu Hui Cheng. Han Chen Xie. Xin Yang. Bin Yao. Ji Yuan Ye. Ci Ye. Nomin Yildiz. Jie Chang. Master of Information Technology Professional, Azeda Sharzadazer. Sui Lin Xuan. Master of Network Computing, Rajan Katval. Master of Networks and Security, Masood Nasa Masood Al-Jadami. Hatija Saeed Nasa Al-Rahbi. Ravan Hani Al-Dahari. Srikant Reddy Gajala. Master of Philosophy, Tarindu Rukshan Bandaragoda. Sadiqhe Khadmi Habiba Bedi. Doctor of Philosophy, for research titled Statistical Inductive Inference of Protein Structural Alignments, Dr. James Haddon Collier. For research titled the experiential model of the person-centred record, a social constructionist-grounded theory. Dr. Joanne Michalczyk. For research titled Investigating the Influence of ERP Post-Implementation Modifications on Business Process Optimisation, Dr. Taiwo Ayinkansala Oseni. For research titled Collaboration Between Academics and Library Staff, a comparative study of 2 universities in Australia and Vietnam, Dr. Thi Huê Pham. For research titled DAG, a general model for privacy preserving data mining, Dr. Sin Ji Teo. Mr. Chancellor, that concludes the presentation of graduates from the Faculty of Information Technology. I now call upon Associate Professor Victoria Haritos, Associate Dean, Student Engagement of the Faculty of Engineering, to present the graduates from the Faculty of Engineering.
Mr. Chancellor, I present to you graduates from the Faculty of Engineering who have been admitted to the following degrees and awarded the following diplomas today. The graduates will be greeted by Professor Frieda Seibler, Deputy Vice-Chancellor and Vice President Enterprise and Academic Vice President Industry Engagement, and Dean of the Faculty of Engineering and Dean of the Faculty of Information Technology. Bachelor of Aerospace Engineering and Bachelor of Commerce, Tony Hem. Bachelor of Aerospace Engineering with Honours and Bachelor of Commerce, Bilal Barakat. Sadiq Bashari. Sebastian Kleinhans. Jotam Samuel Lay. Ellen Elizabeth Reith-Miller. Ahmed Tamba. Bachelor of Aerospace Engineering with Honours and Bachelor of Science, Lillian Lee Tung Chan. Timothy David Birchmans Gleeson. Vincent Quach. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Civil Engineering, James Richard Hudson. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Civil Engineering, Aguirre Sylvia Corlos. Cindy Howie Tu. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Electrical and Computer Systems, Augustus James Hebblewhite. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Materials Engineering, Nicole Tran. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Mechanical Engineering, Samuel Patrick Corcoran. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Environmental Engineering Honours, Benjamin James Stevens. Bachelor of Biomedical Science and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Materials Engineering, Emma Jane Rigos. Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Chemical Engineering, Ryan Gosu Otiri. James Damikoukis. Dale James Makalanda. Catherine Louise Milne. Christopher Yi Kai Ong. Keng Kwan. Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Civil Engineering, Harrison Altred Burns. Andrew John Maitland Cameron. Belinda Chung. Sean Collins. James Kennard Travers Cossins. Vanessa Vasiliki Dallas. James Brian Freeman. Thomas Michael Goodrich. Clara Amelia Tolaco Jessup. Fabio Lim. Jenny Liu. Faisal Mustafa. Nicholas Lawrence Pedersen. Gregory Brian Pollard. Kuzair Rihan. Sylvia Trung. Jade Elise White. Joseph Wong. Lawrence Wong. James Macaulay Young. Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Electrical and Computer Systems, Oindrilla Das. Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Electrical and Computer Systems, Jin Jong Dan. Timothy Alexander Fairley. Ranwir Rao Mamid Peliwa. Hassan Salitha Wickramasuriya. Hong Sen Yang. Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Materials Engineering, Gadir Alami. Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Mechanical Engineering, Devraj Bhattacharya. Taylor Reid Fuda. Alan James McNaughton. George Jordan Metropolis. Patrick Muston. Alexander Duncan Riley. Tess Alexandra Woodland. Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Mechatronics Engineering, Mary Heimeken Belena. Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Mechatronics Engineering with Honours, Chia An Chu. Bachelor of Design, Industrial Design, and Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Mechanical Engineering, Aaron Carl Binns. Bachelor of Design, Industrial Design, and Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Mechanical Engineering, Callum Tyler de Vries. Callum Furphy Dick. Igor Jovanovic. Rachel Yuen Hua Leung. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Chemical Engineering and Bachelor of Science, Brian Chen. Sachini Munasinghe. Ricardo Wong. Stephanie Wong. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Civil Engineering and Bachelor of Science, Simon Frank Harbick. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Electrical and Computer Systems and Bachelor of Science, Catherine Mary Attard. Brett Joseph Daly. Bo Chen Duan. Joshua Michael Hart. Naomi Terry Higgins. Daniel James Morrison. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Materials Engineering and Bachelor of Science, Joshua Disham. Bachelor of Engineering with Honours in the field of Mechanical Engineering and Bachelor of Science, Arib Hassan. James Wallace Taylor. Bachelor of Environmental Engineering with Honours and Bachelor of Science, Jensen Seal. Bachelor of Mechatronics Engineering with Honours and Bachelor of Science, Jaden William Bloy. Yaroslav Vesbor Glovecki. Matthew Paul Greenwood. Michael Lau. Richard Craig McIlwraith. Jake Julian St. Mart. Don Anthony Wijie Esikera. Bachelor of Aerospace Engineering with Honours, Bibi Rukhasa Ibrahim. Alexander Douglas McWay. Kai Hin Yuen. Bachelor of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Nicholas Lachlan Munro. Bachelor of Civil and Environmental Engineering with honours, Jason Lee Giacobbe. Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Chemical Engineering, Nicholas John Reid. Bachelor of Engineering with honours in the field of Chemical Engineering, Intan Shafiri Binti Abdullah. Wai Kit Chen. Mitchell James Fly. Sue Jean T. Yep Chan Kit. Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Civil Engineering, Paschalis Natas. Matthew Luke Scarta. Michael Boonleeb Shrier. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Hao Leo. Wenshen Song. Bachelor of Engineering with honours in the field of Civil Engineering, Lital Adler. Stephen James Brodie. Sarah Kate Bugos. James Sui Ung Cheong. Rahul De Levira. Amir Hossein Hosseini. Hsien Sheng Huang. Daniel Jordan. Marcus Korn. John Henry Lopez. Louis Si Chun Simon. Michael Robert McKenna. Thierry Madura Supin Surindra Mendes. Aaron Thomas Montgomery. Caitlin Michelle Richter. Rivario Savio. Kin Chun Tham. Andrew John Theodolou. Hugh Vincent Wallace. Ryan Gregory Wong. Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Electrical and Computer Systems, Ada Abd Razak. Kamal Sanjeewa Lakshantha Thiagaraja. Carl Lei Wei. Bachelor of Engineering with honours in the field of Electrical and Computer Systems, Karnav Batra. Benjamin Wei Min Chia. Chia Po Siang. Tyler Wayne Coetzee. Timothy James Philippa. Kaludura Madhawa Kaushal Fernando. Timothy Gregg. Andrew Graham Kearns. Kwan Jun Robin Ong. Yasiri Badhi Wickramasinghe. Bachelor of Engineering honours in Materials Engineering, Chen Wan. Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Mechanical Engineering, Daniel Nathan Borgie. Joshua Michael Fay. Rantan Ant Fanchen. Keith Lamb. Moody Ray Osman. Mod Shah Shahul Hamid. Kim Lee Yuen. Jia Zhao. Bachelor of Engineering with honours in the field of Mechanical Engineering, Afshin Aftazi. Muhammad Al Muzammil Chumru. Catherine Joan Doyle. Sean Joseph Fox. Amrik Gautam. Michael Hancock. Raad Huck. Daniel Eduardo Hincapi Gallego. So Nang Mahmud. Ved Muli. Jeremy Frederick Rodney Stenning. Bachelor of Environmental Engineering, Honours, Shihen Gong. Wu Kan Yao. Pai Yang Shu. Bachelor of Environmental Engineering with Honours, Hiruni Hasanthi Eriyagama. Sachini Kavinda Jayakodi Arachchiki Donna. Helden Leerveld. Sophia Lorianne Porter. Bachelor of Mechatronics Engineering, Ko Chi Jia. Bachelor of Mechatronics Engineering with Honours, Yi Guan Shan. Syaz 1 Megat Ridzuan. Takashi Nobutani. Master of Advanced Mechanical Engineering, Mingxi Song. Master of Engineering Science, Research, Riza Bagawa. Negan Foladi Mokadam. Fujia Luo. Junlan Wang. Master of Infrastructure Engineering and Management, Barry Fox. Mesbah Rahman. Master of Traffic, Cameron David Ward. Doctor of Philosophy. For research entitled Aerodynamic Interactions Between Multiple Cyclists, Dr. Nathan Raymond Barry. For research entitled The Slipstream and Wake Structure of High-Speed Trains, Dr. James Robin Bell. For research entitled Fatigue Crack Growth in the Threshold Region, Dr. Fei Chen. For research entitled Static and Fatigue Characteristics of Composite Joint Repair in Aircraft Structures, Dr. Nabil Munteza Chowdhury. For research entitled A Novel Failure Criterion for Matrix Dominant Failure Within Fibre-Reinforced Polymer Composites, Dr. Naeem Torquir Chowdhury. For research entitled Oxidation Kinetics of Steels for Improved Life Assessment for Steam Generating Systems, Dr. Andrzej Sewinski. For research entitled Production of Bulk Metallic Glass Sheet and its Hybrid Laminates, Dr. Daniel Raymond East. For research entitled Joint Active Passive Microwave Soil Moisture Retrieval, Dr. Ying Yao. For research entitled Developments Towards In Vivo Particle Image Velocimetry, Dr. Robert Aidan Jameson. For research entitled Effects of Cycle Frequency, Waveform and Electrode Potential on Corrosion, Fatigue, Crack Growth in High-Strength Tempered martensitic steels, Dr. Mark Knopp. For research entitled Simulations to Develop Integrated Fluid Environment, Dr. Chun Yat Lau. For research entitled Novel Applications of Distributed Fibre Optic Sensors for Pipeline Structural Health Monitoring, Dr. Kenneth Wei Wern Lim. For research entitled Soft Magnetic Properties and Field-Induced Anisotropies in Iron Metalloid-Based Nanocrystalline Materials with High Saturation Magnetisation, Dr. Richard Ronald Parsons. For research entitled A Study of Water Pressure Influence on Failure of Large Diameter Water Pipelines, Dr. RMSU Priyankara Rathne Aka. For research entitled Modelling and Estimation of Aerodynamic Disturbances Acting on a Hovering Microhelicopter in Close Proximity to Planar Surfaces, Dr. David Connell Robinson. For research entitled Chaotic Advection in Three-Dimensional Volume-Preserving Potential Flow, Dr. Lachlan Dean Smith. Research entitled Antibody-Antigen Interactions in Blood Typing for Paper Diagnostics and Surface Plasmon Resonance Analysis, Dr. Hui Lin Then. for research entitled Synchrotron-Based Functional Lung Imaging of Complex Respiratory Events, Dr. Jordan Blair Thurgood. For research entitled Performance Enhancement of Two-Phase Closed Thermosiphon via Carbon-Based Surface Functionalisation, Dr. Tong Wei Li. For research entitled Photodegradable Hydrogels for Tissue Engineering Applications, Dr. Kelly Man Chung Tseng. For research entitled Biofilms on Carbon Steel Due to Pure and Mixed Bacterial Cultures and the Resulting Corrosion Characteristics, Dr. Sachi Ru Wanthika Welikala. For research entitled Intelligent Inference Methods for Automated Network Diagnostics, Dr. Chathiranka Widana Patharirana. For research entitled Remote Sensing Error Assessment for Subsequent Use in Model Confrontation, Dr. Mei Sun Yi. Mr. Chancellor, that concludes the presentation of graduates from the Faculty of Engineering.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm just in the rhythm of this now. If anyone else would like to be commemorated with anything else, I'm just getting into it. Thank you for your patience. It's been very special for all of you, I know, in different ways. But now for something different. We now have the opportunity to hear from one of our talented musicians from the Sir Zelman Cowen School of Music. Please welcome Mr. Zach O'Connell to the ceremony, who will be performing Isfahan by Billy Strayhorn. Thank you, Zach, for that wonderful performance. I don't think I've ever seen an army of engineers so captivated by music before. I now invite the President and Vice-Chancellor, Professor Margaret Gardner, to present a candidate for the degree of Doctor of Laws honoris causa.
Chancellor, Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar is the Chairman of India's National Innovation Foundation and also the President of the Global Research Alliance. He has been the Sir Lewis Matheson Distinguished Professor at Monash University for 10 consecutive years beginning in 2007. Dr. Mashelkar's pioneering research in polymer science and engineering has won him many laurels, and indeed 36 other universities have honoured him in many ways before this. His work has been recognised by the National Academy of Science, USA, the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, the US National Academy of Engineering, the Royal Academy of Engineering UK, the Australian Technological Science and Engineering Academy, and the World Academy of Arts and Sciences, USA. He's also served as the President of the Indian National Science Academy and also President of the Institution of Chemical Engineers, UK. Dr. Mashelkar also brought new perspectives to the issue of intellectual property rights in the context of developing world concerns. His successful challenges to the US patent on turmeric and basmati rice set up new paradigms in the protection of traditional knowledge bases of the developing world. His work led to the establishment of the first ever traditional knowledge digital library, which is being used by all international patent offices to prevent grant of wrong patents based on traditional knowledge. In India, Dr. Mashelkar has played a critical role shaping India's science and technology policies. He was a member of the Scientific Advisory Council to the Prime Minister of India, set up by successive governments around a number of decades. As the Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, his reforms have been considered by many experts as one of the top 10 achievements of Indian science and technology for many, many years. Business Week USA awarded him the Stars of Asia Award, and he was the first Asian scientist to receive it. The President of India honoured Dr. Mashelkar with 3 of the highest Indian civilian honours: Padma Shri in 1991, Padma Bhushan in 2000, and Padma Vibhushan in 2014. Mr. Chancellor, it is hard to in any way do credit to the achievements of Dr. Mashelka, and it gives me the greatest pleasure to present to you for admission to the degree of Doctor of Laws, honoris causa, Dr. Raghunath Mashelka.
With the authority of council, I admit you, Raghunath Mashelka, close friend of this university, to the degree of Doctor of Laws, honoris causa. Congratulations. I now have much pleasure in inviting Dr. Raghunath Mashelka to deliver the graduation address.
Honourable Chancellor, Mr. Simon McKeon, Madam President and Vice Chancellor Professor Margaret Gardner, Chief Scientist of Australia, the former Chancellor of this university, Dr. Alan Finkel, Provost and Senior Vice President Professor Edwina Cornish, Pro-Vice Chancellor Professor Mohan Krishnamurthy, Deputy Vice Chancellor and Vice President Enterprises and Academic Vice President Professor Frida Siebel, Deans, Associate Deans, faculty, proud graduates, and their equally proud parents, distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very, very special morning in my life. I feel privileged, feel honored, feel grateful, feel elated, and feel humble. At the end of my address, I will say a few words about how exactly I feel. But my young friends, you first. You are the stars of the morning. My young friends, this is a very special morning in your life. Your graduation marks a milestone in your life as you leave the portals of this great university to enter a world that is full of exciting possibilities. I congratulate you very warmly. I urge you to take pride in how far you have come. Have faith in how far you can go, and I'm confident that you will go very far. I must congratulate your parents, your family, and your teachers for giving you the best of gift of your life that they could have given, education. And why do I say so? Let me explain through an anecdote. There's a discussion on what is possibly the most powerful equation that was ever developed by scientists. So someone said, of course it is Newton's second law, giving relationship between force, mass, and acceleration, F equal to ma. All of you know that. Someone else said, no. It is not that. It is Einstein's equation, giving relationship between energy, mass, and velocity of light, E equal to mc square. And of course, some others came with some other suggestions. I was sitting quietly. And then somebody asked me, what do you think? I said, no, not Newton, not Einstein. The most powerful equation is E equal to F. So everybody was puzzled. They said, what is E? What is F? I said E is education and F is future. This means education is equal to the future. My young friends, this equation is universal, it is eternal. If there is no education, there is no future for the individual, no future for the nation. Well, then you will say, you are a scientist, and a scientist has to prove the equation that he proposes. So what is the proof for E equal to F? To my mind, the proof came on 3rd October 2011, as far as my own life is concerned. What happened on that day? American Academy of Arts and Science in USA honored the elected fellows of the Academy that day by admitting them in a formal function. This Academy, my young friends, was established in 1780 by Benjamin Franklin and George Washington. 200 plus Nobel laureates are its fellows. Great personalities like Winston Churchill, Charles Darwin, Einstein, Nelson Mandela, and so on have been elected as fellows. 7 Indians from India have been elected as fellows so far. Interestingly, on that day, the 6th and the 7th fellow signed the book of the Academy on that day. Do you know who was the 6th? It was Ratan Tata, the iconic leader of the oldest and the biggest industrial enterprise in India. And do you know who was the 7th? He's speaking to you. Raghunath Mashelkar, I myself signed in that book. Now, interestingly, both of us signed on the same page after one another. To me, this is the proof of the equation E equal to F. I'm sure you are not convinced. How does it prove that? Now, here is the answer. I was born in a very poor family. Life was a big struggle when my mother brought me up in Mumbai under the most adverse conditions. 2 meals a day was a challenge. I studied under street lights. I walked barefoot until I was 12. I stood 11th among 135,000 students in the 1960 secondary school certificate exam of the Monash State Board. And still I decided not to study further, but work. Why? Because my poor mother could not support my higher education. But then came a scholarship of 60 Indian rupees per month, which is less than $1, US $1, by the way. And that was given to me by Tata Trust for 6 years. That helped me do my higher studies. So in 1960, if somebody had said that 50 years down the line, the head of the family of the Tata, who gave me that $1 per month, and myself will sign in the same book of the American Academy of Arts and Science on the same page at the same time, I would not have believed it. But this became possible because of the power of the equation E equal to F. I got my future through education that the Tata Scholarship made possible. So my young friends, my first message that I want to deliver is that education is the key to your future, which you have earned by working so hard. It is up to you to use this key now to open so many doors of opportunity that will come your way. So after getting access to education, that is the key to this door of opportunity, how did my own life and work shape up? All my working life, I did science. I also was fortunate to lead science. In all these years, I committed my life to 3 things: integration, innovation, and inclusion. Let me explain some of it to you. The idea of integration comes to us in India from an ancient saying, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudha means globe, Kutum means family. The word is one family. So the concept of integration at a global level came to us so early. Of course, this is an old Indian wisdom. But the knowledge of the power of integration was given to me by my school teacher when I was in a primary school. I remember going to a poor school in Mumbai, but that poor school had rich teachers, rich in values, rich in devotion. And I remember Principal Bhave, who taught us physics. I remember his taking us into the sun to demonstrate how to find the focal length of a convex lens. He took a piece of paper, held it in one hand, in his other hand was the lens, and he moved the lens till the brightest spot emerged on the paper. And then he told us that the distance between the paper and the lens was the focal length. But then he did something interesting. He held the lens for some more time and the paper burned. And for some reason, he turned to me and said, Mashelka, if you can focus your energies like this and not diffuse them, you can burn anything in the world, you can achieve anything in the world. That was a wow moment in my life. I was so impressed with the power of science that I decided to become a scientist. But the experiment gave me the philosophy of life too. Focus and you will achieve. So my friends, my next message to you, something that has worked for me, is focus and you will achieve. As I grew, I saw new meaning in that simple experiment done by my teacher in my school. What does the convex lens do? You have the sun rays, and what is the property of the sun rays? They're all parallel. And what is the property of parallel lines? They never meet. What does the convex lens do? It makes them meet. What do you see in life today? You have division on the basis of caste, race, religion, language. That doesn't help, that division, because we run parallel, we don't meet. But if you have a convex lens leadership which brings people together, nations together, despite the differences, the idea of one word, one leader will come true. And that is exactly what we need today. Unfortunately, in many parts of the world, today we have concave lens leadership. What does a concave lens do? You have the parallel rays hitting the concave lens, and it divides them further on the basis of caste, on the basis of religion, and so on. And we see its consequences today in our lives, be it Syria, be it ISIS, be it the general trend that you see on movement from globalization back to nationalism. So my next message, my young friends, a very simple one, is that become a convex lens leader. Bring in unity in diversity, build teams, bring a smile on the faces of 7 billion people, not just a few privileged ones, as is the case today. As I said, you'll be leaving the portals of this great university, and you'll be entering a world which, as I said, is full of opportunities. But I must say that world is also changing very rapidly. We talked today about the arrival of Industry 4.0. Some have used the term Fourth Industrial Revolution. First Industrial Revolution mobilized the mechanization of production using steam power. The second one introduced mass production using electrical power. The third used electronics and IT to automate manufacturing. The fourth revolution is the extreme digitization of manufacturing, powered by technology disruption arising out of exponential rise in computational power, data, connectivity, analytics, new forms of human-machine interaction, and advances in transferring digital instructions to the physical world, such as through advanced robotics and 3D printing. Digital disruption is obvious in our everyday life. World's largest taxi company, Uber, owns no taxis. World's largest accommodation provider, Airbnb, owns no hotels. World's most valuable retailer, Alibaba, has no inventory. World's largest phone companies, Skype and WeChat, own no telephone infrastructure. Artificial intelligence, advanced automation, and robotics are creating new opportunities as also new challenges. Technology-led jobless growth is on the cards, with 57% of the current jobs in OECD countries predicted to vanish in 20 years. India would be 69% and China would be 77%, even higher. There is a challenge, therefore, of dynamics of technology-led jobless growth as well as creation of new jobs and new opportunity. That's the dynamic world. The new world, my friends, is also going to be a VUCA world. What is VUCA? It means volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. So it is clear that education and skills that brought us here today will not take us there in future. What it means is we have to invent now education 2.0, if you like. President Obama had famously said, education and innovation are going to be the currencies of the 21st century. I would go a step further and say that education in innovation and innovation in education will be needed for us not only to survive, but succeed. So what are the key skills, what are the key competencies that one will have to develop to deal with such a digitally disrupted VUCA world, if I may use those words? There is some consensus on the top few in some quarters. These are ability, 1, to deal with complexity, 2, critical thinking, 3, creativity, 4, cognitive flexibility, 5, emotional intelligence, and finally, ability to co-create, not only co-create with men and men, but also men and machine, so as to say. We don't talk about robotics, we talk about cobotics, cooperative robots, and their interaction with human being. But my friends, there is no cause to worry. This is a good news. And that good news is your great alma mater has equipped you with all these skills, so you can enter this new world with full confidence. At the end, if you were to ask me as to which learnings have helped you personally the most in your life, what would those be? So I will end by talking about just 5 of them which have helped me. Maybe some of them will help you. First, I learned that like instant coffee, there is no instant success. One's overnight success is always a result of everything that one has done through that moment. If one really looks closely, most overnight successes took a long, long time, as Steve Jobs had famously said. What I found in my life is that there is no substitute to hard work for becoming successful. I myself worked 24/7, day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year, and I'm continuing to do so in this 4th innings or the last innings of my life, even today. And a golden rule has worked for me, my friends. Work hard in silence, let success make the noise. What is the second? Second is building an open mind. James Dewar had said that minds are like parachutes. They function only when they are open. Minds are also like that. They also function when they are open. Besides mind, it is a positive mindset that matters. In fact, I have the reputation of being a dangerous optimist in my country. When someone tells you that it can't be done, take it that it is more a reflection of his or her limitation, not yours. It is that yes, I can spirit that will help you deliver a winning shot. Third, it is wrong to wait for the opportunities to knock on your door. If opportunity does not knock, build a door of your own. As my friend Alan Finkel said wisely recently in one of his numerous brilliant speeches, which I follow all the time, by the way, he said, and I quote, "The chance comes to a prepared mind. Be open to opportunity and don't be detracted from seeing it in unconventional form." I think this is very important. Fourth, the I in each of you individually must stand for innovation and not inhibition or imitation. Remember, innovator is one who sees what everyone else sees, but thinks of what no one else thinks. Indeed, if you master the art of visualizing the invisible, you can make even seemingly impossible possible. Fifth and final, there is no limit to human endurance. There is no limit to human achievement. There is no limit to human imagination, excepting the limits that you put on your mind yourself. So be limitless. Remember, your aspirations are your possibilities. So keep the aspirations high. Unless you dream big, you can't achieve big things. Finally, I wish to thank the university for honoring me with degree of Doctor of Laws honoris causa. Yes, this is my 37th honorary doctorate, but believe me, this is the most precious that I have received. I began as Sir Louis Matheson Distinguished Professor in Monash in 2007. This year it is my 10th consecutive year in this position, and this decade-long journey has been absolutely fascinating. The love, the affection, the support that this great university has given me and my wife is something that we value and cherish immensely. So this honor is very precious to me. Each honor, finally, that one receives brings with it a responsibility. I'm now an alumnus of this university, so it brings a special responsibility. And what is it? This university, and I say my university, has been climbing the limitless ladder of excellence. I've seen it reach pinnacles of glory in terms of heights of excellence and achievement, now being among the top 50 in the world. And in a number of cases, like engineering and technology being number one, in various ways, we have surpassed expectations. And I've been a proud witness of this journey, of this great journey, for over a decade. There is a responsibility on all of us. I feel none of us alumni in this hall can rest till our university reaches the highest peak, moving from the present position of top 50 in the world to top 10 in the world, and why not top 5? As I said, limits of imagination, limits of achievement, we'll have to forget about them and go limitless in terms of the path forward. At the end, as a very proud alumnus of this university, my university, I assure you that I will give my very best to contribute my own bit to make this dream come true. And I shall do so till my last breath. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Mashelka, for those pearls of wisdom. You took many of us back many years ago to when you were a 12-year-old with no shoes on the streets of Mumbai, and reinforced that There's no one in the world that doesn't have hope, especially with an injection of education. And you've also reminded us that it's within our power to give as well and to unlock the potential in others, simply by giving of ourselves, our material resources, creating scholarships. And at the end of the day, when those two ingredients come together, education and giving, the future is unlimited. We've been reminded today that the motto of this university is that all of us can keep learning, particularly the graduates today. You've all got your certificates that remind you and your supporters of what you have done. But it's what can also flow from here on, because life is for learning. Thank you again, Dr. McKelshire. Graduates, as you leave the ceremony, remember that you're not leaving the university, no matter how far you may move away from this place and this time. As alumni of the university, you are joined to the university and to each other by a link that cannot be broken, and we very much hope will be strongly maintained. I urge you to keep in touch with the university alumni group. The alumni page is in your copy of the graduation program, and it's a guide to what we have to share with you wherever you may be. And in congratulating you upon your achievements, I particularly want to acknowledge the contribution that your lecturers, supervisors, tutors, indeed the professional staff of the university have made in ensuring your presence at this ceremony. It's not always possible to give public recognition to their continuous work and their dedication, but I'd like now to ask you to take this opportunity, show them your appreciation by a round of applause. I know that university study is not easy. I was once a graduate many, many years ago, and during your many years of research and learning, you had to cope with the stresses of examinations and assignments and combined study with outside work or family obligations. Throughout this time, you were encouraged and supported by your parents, husbands, wives, partners, brothers, sisters, and I'm sure a cohort of close friends. To acknowledge their contribution, I now invite the graduates to stand and turn and express your gratitude by a round of applause. Thank you. For all of us on this stage, that is a truly grand sight. I cordially invite everyone to continue the celebration by coming to the Northern Plaza for refreshments. Graduates, I invite you to join the procession as the official party leaves the hall, and I ask members of the audience to remain standing at their seats until all our graduates have left. You'll then be asked to retake your seats and will be provided with some further information before making your way to the post-ceremony refreshments. This ceremony is now at an end. Thank you.